that pipe right there is 10 feet long. We're going to figure out what the A measurement is by measuring up 5 feet on the wall. So go ahead, figure out where 5 feet would be up the wall. Okay, now you want to put a marker right where 5 feet happens. Okay, so the pipe is going to be C, everybody. What did we just measure? What side? What letter? The A. Good. You want to make the A side of the triangle be 5 feet. So can you make that happen? Make that pole touch 5 feet up on the wall. Excellent. Okay, so what's the A side, everybody? 5 feet, good. What's the C side? If we do, what's the C? 10. That's also called the hypotenuse. Good. We're going to try to find B, the distance from the wall to the end of the stick. We're going to put that same data in the worksheet. Okay, we see the pole is 10 feet and 10 squared is 100 square feet. We're looking at the A we measured. We measured that to be 5 feet. So what's A squared? 25 square feet. Do you have the 25 in there? Okay, so now what we got to do is try to find what B is. So we're going to go plug that into this Pythagorean theorem. Do we know what A is? Okay, so A is 5. And we have to square it. And then we don't know what B squared is, so we're going to leave it like B squared. And then C is 10. We have to square that. We've already done some of this math. 5 squared, that's 25, right? Yeah. Plus B squared equals 100. Okay, so now we have to solve for B squared and then eventually B. Okay, we want to solve for B squared. How are you going to do it? What's your strategy?
Done a minus 25 from both sides.
Okay, let's do that. Good. I like the way you got that lined up. Okay. And on that line, what are you going to put? What are you going to put right on this line?
Equals.
Good. What's left on this side?
B squared.
Good. Okay. What's B squared worth?
75.
75 hamsters or square feet?
Square feet.
Okay. Let's go over to this diagram and fill in that B squared equals 75 square feet. Now, how are you going to find B? How are you going to find the edge of that square? You've got to take the square
root.
Good. Show me over here what you're going to do. Okay. Nice. So when we do that, we will find the root of this square, which will be one of the sides of B. Okay. That's a calculator exercise. We need to take the square root of B squared. What's the square root of B squared? Nice. Equals, and you did this on the calculator. What's the square root of 75? Did you get 8.66? Yeah. Very nice. Make that decimal point just a little bit darker. Nice. All right, over here, let's fill in the value for B. Same thing, 8 6/10. Not the same as 8 feet 6 inches, right? So that's 6/10. So it's a little bit bigger than 8.5 feet. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to measure the triangle and see how far the floor is between the wall and the stick. Okay, so you've got a measurement of B, which is along the floor. Okay, so what is your distance for B? What did you get?
8 feet and 10 inches, a little more than 8 feet and a half.
Right, 8.5 is 8.5, and we got a little more than 8.6 or 8 6/10, so that 6/10 is close to 10 inches. Good.